Aspiring astronaut Doug Campbell believes he will travel to space one day, and this is part of his training ground. The 33-year-old biomedical engineer from Saskatoon spent 2 weeks at the Mars Desert Research Station in Utah.
This is the area where we keep all of our spacesuits that we use when we go outside the habitats to protect ourselves.
In the simulated mission, Campbell had to wear a spacesuit just to step outside the bunker. It's part of a 2-year private astronaut training academy in the United States. It costs about $12,000. There's exposure to stunt flying, high gravitational forces, and underwater escapes. All to prepare researchers for space travel.
It's the ultimate goal of what I would love to do. It's my passion, but it's a very hard career to get into, obviously.
It's been his dream since he was 5. He visited the Kennedy Space Center and saw the huge rocket that propelled astronauts to the moon a half-century ago. Today, Campbell works in healthcare. He knows the Canadian Space Agency has only hired 14 astronauts in the past 36 years, so he's banking on private space travel.
It's getting more and more viable every day, so it's still very hard to be an actual astronaut working for the Canadian Space Agency or for NASA, but with things like SpaceX and Boeing, as they send citizens up, there's a lot more flights, there's a lot more opportunity to go.
British billionaire Richard Branson promises to open space to thousands of new astronauts. Both Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are poised to fly rich customers on suborbital trips to space. Academics and scientists are figuring out how to tap into that.
My hope is that someday I'll have a research project that tags into one of those flights.
What this location is a very well-stocked laboratory that allows us to do research while we're here in our mission.
Campbell has already tackled what he imagines would be an everyday problem for a colony on Mars.
My research project was to create a waterless dishwasher and see if I could get plates as close to clean as possible without actually using any water or soap.
He used ultraviolet rays to kill bacteria. For now, it's all been done on Earth, but Campbell hopes that will change in his lifetime. Bonnie Allen, CBC News, Saskatoon.